Hello, good morning. I am Shalini from Pondicherry Engineering College. I am here to give you awareness on cyber security. Crossing the street is risky, but still we cross the street. Similarly, nowadays using computer is also risky, but it plays a vital role in our life. So it is our duty to secure the computer systems from cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is the process of applying security measures to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data. Security is like a chain. A chain is only as strong as the weakest links. The bad guys will attack the weakest parts of the system. So there is no 100% security. So you are responsible for the security of your computers, files, programs and services. Today we will look into the preventive measures on cyber security issues, since prevention is better than cure. The cyber criminal who knows your passwords will abuse your computing account. So protect your passwords. The password is yours, only yours. Make it complex and never reuse the same password for other accounts. Change it regularly and also consider other credentials as confidentials. Be careful with your email and web, because these cyber criminals will try to trick you. So when you browse through the links, stop, think and click the links. Do not open unexpected or suspicious links in the emails or attachments. Do not install untrusted software or plugins to your computer system. Any unprotected computer connected to the internet will be infected with virus and worms. So protect your computers by keeping all your systems and software up to date. Run the antivirus software periodically. Do not install untrusted software to the system. Lock your screen with a password when you leave the system alone. The cyber criminals will be in search of confidential and sensitive data. So it is not only enough to protect your computer system, you have to protect your files and data with any of the security mechanisms. So restrict access to the documents and folders of your system, and also follow the principle of least privilege access to your documents. You have to respect the copyright. So please don't break the law. Do not distribute or share the copyrighted materials. Refrain the file sharing application and file hosting service. Be a good user of cyber systems by following the cyber ethics and rules. Your activity should not be illegal, commercial, political or offensive. So use the cyber system for your growth and for the development of your country. With these few words, I conclude my presentation on cyber security. A review on cyber security primitive measures is given here. By following up the primitive measures, we can have a better cyber security and protect ourselves from cyber criminals and cyber crime. Thank you all for your patience. Have a nice day.